Welcome to a fast-paced recap of the Russia-Ukraine war, a conflict reshaping our world as of March 8, 2025. From its explosive start to its global fallout, this is history in the making. Subscribe now, let's dive in. The war's roots lie in a centuries-old rivalry. Ukraine's independence in 1991 clashed with Russia's view of it as a lost dominion. Tensions boiled over in 2014 when Russia annexed Crimea and backed separatists in Donbass after Ukraine's pro-Western shift. Vladimir Putin's February 2022 claim that Ukraine isn't a real nation set the stage for invasion. On February 24, 2022, Russia launched its full-scale assault, targeting Kyiv. Ukraine fought back, repelling Moscow by April. Key moments: Ukraine's 2022 Kharkiv counteroffensive, Russia's Kherson retreat in November, and a 2024 Ukrainian incursion into Russia's Kursk region. Today it's a brutal stalemate, over 500,000 casualties, 18% of Ukraine occupied, and no peace in sight. As of March 2025, the war grinds on. Ukraine leans on Western aid, Russia digs in with help from Iran and North Korea. Front lines barely budge and talks are deadlocked. The toll: millions displaced, economies strained, and a world watching. This war shakes the globe. NATO grows stronger with Finland and Sweden, but Russia's ties to China challenge the West. Europe scrambles for energy, food crises hit the global south, and a multipolar world emerges. It's a test of power, and whether sovereignty survives. This isn't just Ukraine's story, it's ours. A fight for identity and order in a fracturing world. Subscribe, comment. Can peace win? Stay tuned. This war's next chapter could change everything.